Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Determined Gardener. I am the Determined Gardener here in Zone B, and I'm so happy that you are spending some time with me. So thank you so much for coming back. For all those watching that are new, thank you so much for gardening with me. I am at the side of my home. It's been raining for the past 2 days, so I am so happy to finally be able to come out and enjoy the sun. It is April 8th, and it's just wonderful to be able to the rain to finally go away and for me to get my hands dirty. So again, I'm on the side of my home. This is a very shaded area. It doesn't get a lot of sun because of all the trees. So I decided that I was going to plant a succulent rock garden. I've done it for about a year, and I think it's doing really well. You can see right behind me, right there is my succulent rock garden. You see my gloves, my shovel. Yeah, you know what? I'm getting ready to just dig in. But I have to tell you, I have to be honest that there some of the flowers, some of the succulents did die. And right here, I did plant this one. This was just a regular succulent, but it did not survive. I'm just going to leave it in the ground and see what it does. But here we go. Some of my more rock garden right here. You can see it's still a work in progress, so please don't judge me. But you know, this is it right here. It's still a work in progress, so you know, we'll get this baby going. We'll get this baby going. Here is right here. I love this. This is a cherry tart sedum. This one, it's just popping up out of the ground, and I still have to cut some of these straggly leaves and get this organized. I'm still trying to figure out which succulents are cold hardy. I do know that this variety of hens and chicks is very cold hardy, and it's not the soft one. It has the edges on the sides. There are two types of hens and chicks: the ones that are on the edges that are very soft, and the ones that have ridges. So if you get the ones that have the ridges on the outer edges of the flower, that's the one that is cold hardy. So I brought this one. It is a red heart hens and chicks, which means that all in the inside will turn red. Beautiful red kind of hue color, and I just can't wait to get it in the ground. It did cost about $3.98, and you can see all these babies right here. Oh, I just love them. That's the reason why I got them, because then all the babies will produce more babies, and I just can't wait. And I also got this for $12.98, blue spruce sedum. Love this because it's just one of those low growing plants. It doesn't get too tall, and right now it is green, but it has this beautiful hue of blue, turns blue in the colder months. So can't wait to get both these, the blue sedum and the hens and chicks, in my rock garden. So you know what, let me stop talking and let's get started. Nice big one right there that I'm going to put somewhere in the middle. Make sure you get around that fabric. Just a little nudge. Stick it in there. They really do grow fast. They're wonderful succulents. Just be careful not to break them off. Find some more over here. Got my trusty scissors. It's kind of hard using scissors with gloves, you know what I mean. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is, here is the finished product of my rock garden. You see, here's the finished product. Got some hens and chicks and some blue sedum in there, and some awesome, some red cherry sedum tart. So again, this is April 8th. A lot of these, particularly this one, will be a bright Spruce red. Again, this will be a nice bright yellow. So it is autumn. So hopefully we'll be adding some more hens and chicks. In the comment section, let me know what you would like to see in my rock garden besides just rocks. I'm going to be collecting some more rocks and just trying to make it look as organic as possible. But thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, Determined Gardener. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel here, The Determined Gardener. As you can see, this is the finished product. I will be working on this for most of the summer. So this is not the end. You can see that it does need a lot of cleaning up. And I will be doing that, most of the cleanup during the summer months. But again, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Until the next video, bye-bye.